Hi, Nick. Where are you? Ah! Ah! Choo-choo's coming. I see you. Yee! I see you. Good job, Nick. I see you. See you later, buddy. Uh-oh. Careful. You alright? Take a break. Go like this. Uh-oh. Here we go again. Nicholas doing exercise. Half hour every day. Uh-oh, he's tired now. Where you going? Nick. Car's coming. Come back. Come back this way. Car's coming. Come here. Good job, Nick. Good job, Nick. Uh-oh, he's hiding now. Good job, Nick. Say bye-bye. No, don't go there. Nick, come back this way. Turn around. Yeah, Choo-choo's coming, yes. Say bye-bye. You want to go that way?